Hello teacher and classmate, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. I'm in the group 45 of the subject teacher development. At this moment I'm going to provide the answer about the learning guide number 3. In this video I'm going to talk about a little issue that I supposed to have because I have never had problems teaching with my student, but we are going to simulate a discussion with two children. The first students begin to treat the other child badly because he didn't understand my topic. In the same way, the student begins to cry because he is being treated badly. So the first question that I'm going to answer is, what was this incident significant to you? This incident was provided me because it's related a situation that directly impact my teaching practice and gave me the opportunity to reflect on my opinion teaching methods and how to approach a future similar situation. What happened directly before the event? Before the incident, I was conducting a class or teaching activity with my students. What happened directly after the event? Immediately after the incident, I took a moment to evaluate the situation and reflect on what had happened, and the next I consider how could approach this situation effectively. How did they react at the time of the event? At the time of this incident, my initial reaction may have been surprise, concern, or even frustration depending on the nature of the event. However, I tried to stay calm, breath, and approach the situation with the composure. What is your interpretation of this event? My interpretation of this situation or event is that it's relevated a gap in my teaching or a student's understanding. It may also have highlighted in the need to adjust my pedagogical approach to be better address the individual situation or needs of my students. What underlying assumption about your teaching does this critical incident raise for you? This critical incident might raise questions about my prior assumption about the effectiveness of my teaching methods, my ability as a teacher to communicate clearly with my students, or the prior preparation of teaching materials. And now that you have been reflect on this critical incident, would you react in any different if it happened again? Why or why not? After the reflection of this incident, I will likely adjust my pedagogical approach and response to similar situation in the future. For example, I could implement new strategies to identify the lack of knowledge of each student and promote a more effective learning environment. However, the specific reaction would depend of the exact nature of the incident and the lesson learned from the reflection of each student. So this is my short video about the situation that I had, because as I told before, I have never happened problems, or I have never had problems with my teaching in pedagogical classes. Thank you.